Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Google Keeps account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Google Keeps account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in keep.google.com and make a search. The official page of Google Keeps account will appear on the screen. Tap on Create Account option. From the displayed option, choose an account you'd like to create. Here I'm gonna go with for any personal use option. On the next page, enter your first and last name, then click on Next. Enter your date of birth, select your gender and click on Next. Choose a Gmail address, or you can also create it on your own, then tap on Next. Create a password and confirm your password by re-entering it, then click on Next. Tick mark on the box that says Show Password to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Enter your phone number and click on Next. A verification code will be sent to your phone number. Enter a verification code sent to your phone number for confirmation and tap on Next. Enter a recovery email for your account, or else you can also skip the process by tapping on Skip option. Agree to the terms and conditions of Google Keeps account by tapping on I agree, and that's how you will be able to sign up for your Google Keeps account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.